Hello friends, welcome to this training video. In this video I'm going to teach how to make a connection cable to transfer electric charge between batteries. It's very practical and everyone should have one of them in their car. With this cable you can start a car without a battery using an external battery. We want to connect the wire to this clip. First we separate a part of the wire cover. Due to the fact that the voltage of the batteries is mostly low, we must use wires with a large cross-section for them, because a lot of electric current passes through them and their connection points must also be very strong. Then we insert these special rings into it. And then we press 2 points of it completely with the press machine. We can see that the wire and the ring are completely connected. To connect the wire to the clip, we first remove the plastic handle of the clip and create a hole on the body of each clip. Then we put the plastic handle inside the wire and connect it to the clip in this way. Before closing the nut, I use a spring washer so that the nut does not loosen over time. And we do the same thing for the second clip. And we make another connection wire similar to this. These two wires are used for a positive and negative connection. This video is finished. If you liked the video, please press the like and subscribe button. Goodbye.